Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Here we are sitting in our cabin. It's pretty early in the morning right now. It's been kind of a rough night, 30, 40 knots of wind. And we're holding up nicely here in the marina, everybody. And my mom had another fall, so I got to fly back to Switzerland again today. And Elaine is gonna take care of the boat for a while, and then the kids come to Italy soon. Hopefully we can all meet up for that.
Got my sister and brother-in-law here, so hopefully we can take the boat out for a day or two while Eric's gone. Get a little sailing in. No way we can do it right now. We've had some gusts over 50. Yeah. It's been a rough couple of days.
The neighbor is bouncing all over the place, but we're all holding up pretty good, and it's supposed to slow down later on today, and hopefully we can still get some sailing in this summer. It's been kind of rough.
Yeah, we're not sure we're gonna be able to get out. We did end up extending our contract here till October, so at least we have a place to keep the boat this summer.
Yeah, that's the good part, and we never know when Mom is gonna need help, so we'll see how that all goes. In the meantime, the boat is in a pretty safe place, and
I'm gonna show you how bad it is out there.
Hopefully we can get some sailing in this summer. That'd be good.
It's pretty ugly right now outside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like here while Eric gets ready to go. So anyway, I'm gonna turn the phone around and give you guys a little walking tour here and show you what's happening outside. This has been going on now for how many days? 2 days? 2 days. It's supposed to get a little better today, but we've got water crashing over the breakwall over there. It's actually calmed down a little bit this morning. We had some pretty good whitecaps about a half hour ago. We're all holding up. The monohulls over here have been having a real hard time. Guy bouncing and leaning over and laying down. I don't think anybody got a decent night's sleep last night. And the rains are coming. We're gonna have, it says about 45 knots until about 8 tonight. So it will be about a 72-hour squall here, and it's amazing the amount of dirt and dust that has come with this wind. Anyway, the adventure continues. Poor Eric has to leave us and go help Mom get back on her feet, but dang. That over there. Yeah! Good times.